Good morning, children. Welcome to Rising Sun Primary School online classes. Myself, Arvind Tomar. I am your computer teacher. Today's topic is storage device. So let's start with me. Today's topic secondary memory. Secondary memory is called Dutiyak memory. Okay. Data and information are in different forms such as documents, photos, videos, animations, voices, and sounds is stored in secondary memory. That data and information can be stored in computer storage devices. Similarly, computer programs which give instruction to the computer can be stored too. Okay. For example, document, photos, videos, animation, and voice and sounds records in secondary memory store same already instruction can be computer stored too. Okay. Computer usually uses its input and output channels to access secondary storage and transfers the desired data using intermediate area in primary storage. It is not directly accessible by the CPU. It is not directly accessible by the CPU. Brainstorm. Devices which are used to store data, information, and programs that belong to computer are known as computer storage devices. Okay. First of all, hard disk. Hard disk. Okay. So the hard disk drive is main and usually largest data storage devices in a computer. Largest data device in computer is called hard disk. The hard disk consists of a magnetized platter and a moving metal head. It can store anywhere from 160 gigabyte to 2 terabytes. Hard disk speed is the speed at which content can be read and written on a hard disk. A hard disk unit comes with a set of rotation speed varying from 4500 to 7200 rpm. Okay. Disk access time is measured in milliseconds. Disk access time is measured milliseconds. Okay. Nowadays external hard disk are also available, so it's called external hard disk. Okay. Fact file. Hard disk comes attached inside the CPU box and also known as fixed disk. Okay. इसको हम फिक्स डिस्क भी बोलते हैं. ओके. मैग्नेटिक टेप्स. A magnetic tape is a thin plastic tape covered with a magnetic substance. It is used for recording sounds, which can used often in the recording sounds, images or computer data, etc. The magnetic tape, which was used often in the past, has now become obsolete. Okay. It is called magnetic tape. Floppy disk. Floppy disk is a magnetic media device that can be used to store small files. That can be used store small files. Small. It is contains a capacity of 1.44 MB. It is used to carry data because it is an external. Okay. Floppy disk 1.44 MBs, zip disk 250 MB, and ZAS disk 2 GB. Okay. It is used to carry distance carry data because it is an external storage device. What is becoming obsolete At present, there are disks which are produced by using the same technology used to produce the floppy disks such as zip disks and jazz disks. The capacity of these disks is greater than that of the floppy disks, but they are not used often. Okay. Next is CD-ROM. Compact disk is the commonly used storage device. It can store 600 to 750 MB data on it. Data can be in the form of text, images, sounds, videos, movie, etc. A laser beam is used to read CD's data. Okay, a laser beam is used to read CD's data. Nowadays, we got two types of CDs. CDR, compact disc recordable, in which data written cannot be changed or deleted. Okay. CDRW, compact disc rewritable, in which data can be rewritten or deleted. Okay. Next is DVD, digital versatile disc. It is similar to a CD but can store much more data. It can be recorded on one or both sides. They are of two types: DVD-R, data can be written once, and DVD-RWC, rewritable. It ranges from 4.7 GBs to 8.5 GBs. Okay. Fact file. Nowadays, which device is used to store more data is called hard disk. Okay. Next is Blu-ray disc. It is similar to a CD or DVD and holds the data up to 25 GBs. Okay. Blu-ray disc reader is required to use a Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray reader is required to use a Blu-ray disc. USB flash drive, a small portable flash memory card that plugs into a computer USB port and functions as a portable hard drive. Flash drives are available in sizes such as 1 GB, 2 GB, 32 GB, and more. It is an easy way to transfer and store information. It is called flash drive. So it is called pen drive. Memory card, an electronic flash memory storage disk commonly used in computer electronic devices such as digital cameras, MP3 players, mobile phones, and other small portable devices. Memory cards are usually read by connecting the device containing the card to your computer or by using a USB card reader. Okay, this is USB card reader. This is a memory card. Okay, fact file. Which CD-ROM will use to re-record a collection of songs and movies, and why? It is compact disc rewritable. Okay, CDR is used. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any doubt or query, you have my mobile number. Please call me. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.